Guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on Bluetooth on your Samsung device. You can do that in two ways. The first one is go to the settings, after that to connections, and the third option is Bluetooth. You have to turn that on and it will appear the available device or devices. Alright, and the second option is if you scroll down the menu of your home screen, here you can see Bluetooth option as well, so it will appear the same as before. So thank you guys. If this video was helpful for you, please consider subscribing. Have a beautiful day. Bye.